Welcome back, everybody. So guys, here in this lecture we're going to talk about how we can use the badges. We can use the badges in different places, like we can use the badges in headings, we can use the badges in individual places, we can use the badges to clear the status of any line or any link or whatever you want. You can use the badges in your own way, wherever you just want to use. I'm just going to guide you how you can use the badges actually. So there, I'm just going to apply a badge. First of all, even the badge also has the Bootstrap templates color, so you can choose any color from the Bootstrap template. So I'm making a badge here. Span a badge, whatever word you want to put, you can. This is not really matter, but the thing matters is actually what you're putting in a class, because it's a Bootstrap. So the class I'm just putting for the badge is, first of all, the badge, BADGE, and then the color do you want, the template do you want to apply on its badge. I'm just applying this the badge secondary. Okay, save it. Now I just need to go to the browser to check that out, what I've just made. So I'm just refreshing that, and there it is. I've made this badge. If I just zoom in, and now you can see that it's there. Okay, it's a kind of badge. First of all, I think this is actually required, the BR tag. Go there back and refresh that, and now you can see that the badge here, that means it's actually working. Now I just need to proceed to the next one, and now I know I have a lot of designs, so I can apply them. I'm just going to guide you all of them to you, so you'll be able to at least work on it, and you'll be able to use them, the badges. So first of all, I just need to clear the badge, and then the badge, the another style you want to put here. I'm just putting the badge danger right now, and there I'm just putting some data like danger badge, whatever text you have you can put. So go to the browser and refresh that. Now you can see that another badge here. In the same way, you have another one, span, and here I'm just typing primary badge, and there I'm just putting the class badge primary, and save it. Now go to the browser and refresh that. Now you can see that here it is, the primary badge. In the same way, if I just go there and line break and span, and there I'm just putting another class like that, and now there I'm just putting the badge and the badge info, and save it. Now go to the browser, refresh that, and there you've got the info badge. That means it's also working. And some modes are here, like if I just go there and again the line break, so span, and here I'm going to the class badge and space badge warning. Okay, warning. Here I'm just putting the badge warning, save it. Go to the browser back and refresh the page. Now you can see that there is a badge warning, the warning badge, and I'm just going back. I'm just line breaking and span again, and here I'm just putting the another one, the light badge. Okay, and there the class I'm just putting light. Okay, in the same way, you just need to go down and span again, and the class again. These are some different badges. Badge dark, save it. Now go to the browser and refresh that. So I've got another one. This is a light one, and there's a dark one. Maybe I did something different. Badge dark. Oh, I see. I didn't put the contents. A dark badge. Save it. Now go to the browser back, and here we go. Refresh that. So there is a dark one. Okay, cool. I'm going to use the dark one, or I can use anything. For example, I'm going to use the danger one with different sizes. I'm just guiding you because I just want to show you that the sizes also can be changed. So here I'm just making the heading one, and I'm just using the badge inside the heading one. Inside the heading one, okay. So heading badge, and there the class again. And here, first of all, I just need to clarify what I'm just doing. The badge and the badge danger, as I've said to you. So save it. Now go to the browser and refresh that. So there is a heading, and there is the badge according to the heading size. You can see that it's a big one. And in the same way, if you just use the h4, uh, here I'm just using the h4. So here the heading 2. Okay, here I'm just using the badge again. Okay, interestingly, I'm not making heading badge. Okay, I'm not changing anything inside the badge, inside the classes or etc, but yeah, because of the heading, it's all getting changed. Badge danger again. Save, and now go to the browser. Now you can see that it's a big one, it's a small one. So now you can see that the difference is actually cleared. Now reset. Okay, cool. You can see that this is a difference between different headings. So this is how the badge size can be increased and decreased using the headings, and these are the badges. So in the next class we'll be talking about some more interesting things, so stay tuned and goodbye.